Hello guys, welcome to another videos. In today's video I came here with another idea. Let me show what is it. Today I came here with a website that's known as a w3schools. Okay, first of all let me tell you why I came with this website. Okay, because this website is very useful for learning new skills like any kind of languages like HTML, JAVASCRIPT, SQL, CSS, Python, PHP. It means you can learn a lot of digital languages for free. Yes, free. Okay, before I open this website, let me tell you a story behind this, because it is a big deal how I found that website. When I was learning web designing and web development in an institute, my teacher told me they also give me an offline version of this website. If you are interested, then I will share offline version of this website to you. He told me this website is very useful for beginners to learn any kind of the language. Okay, so let me show a demo of this website to you. Okay, here I already opened up the site. Here you can see. Okay, learn HTML. Try it yourself. It will explain you learn CSS, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, Python, jQuery, Java, w3school, BOOTSTRAPs are still there, color pixel, a lot of exercises are there. It will help you to develop. Okay, here are a lot of templates are there, and everything is available here for free to learn anything. Okay, let me say I wanted to learn HTML. Here in the left side I click on learn HTML. Just I cleared. Here you can learn still HTML5. I just click on start learning HTML now. Okay, this first lesson is what is HTML. HTML is for hypertext markup language, is for markup language. Explaining here is a simple showing documents. I think this is the best site to learn any language. When you open the site, you will see they will tell you step by step to learn everything. Okay, you can learn anything, even you can learn PHP, Python, SQL, and more. You can see there bunches of courses are there. I think you should give it a try to learn. Here you can see the tutorials. All tutorials are available. Even you can learn artificial intelligence, XML. So why are you looking for a lot of sites? Pay there. You can learn it for free any language. Okay, so it is my recommendation to learn from this site, because I already learned HTML, CSS, BOOTSTRAP from this site. Okay, I hope you like our today's video. If you want offline version of this website, then I will provide you. Just comment down below that you need offline version of this site, then I will provide you. Okay, if you haven't any subscribe my channel, just go click on a subscribe button, smash that button, and also click on a bell icon, because so you will never miss any upcoming videos from us. Okay, see you in another video.